best type of ice drink I ever had would have to be a homemade smoothie. I started making these when my mother gave me a smoothie maker for my birthday present. And during this presentation, I will show you how to make your own to your own liking. To make your own frizzy, first you need a couple of things. You need your own blender, of course, and then you need some ice. You also need some milk and some fruit. There are going to be a couple of optional ingredients that you can add to it if you want. One of them is sugar. This adds a little sweetness to it. Without it, it's very bitter, and some people prefer it without. I myself do not. Another thing you might need is a hammer. If you don't have crushed ice, you need crushed ice because some blenders aren't powerful enough to actually crush it. Another thing would be a plastic bag so you don't get the ice everywhere. It causes problems. So now that we have all the ingredients we need, we can get to the fun part, and that is actually making the smoothie. First, you have a hard decision in front of you. You're going to need to add your fruit, so you have to pick which ones you want. For this demonstration, I chose a cup of strawberries, and I also chose half a cup of blackberries. You just add them to the cup, and you begin. After you've added the fruit, you can add your milk, which will add a little bit of texture to it, to give it that texture that most people do in fact like. You can add as much as you want. It's kind of a process to decide what you do want and how much to do it on your own. After that, you add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. That'll make it a little bit sweeter like I mentioned before. And then you add about a cup of ice, which once again gives it a new texture that you don't get without it. After that, you just add the lid onto it. After you blend it up, you get with your finished product, which is a smoothie. And now you can make your own smoothie on your own and in